everyone, it's Chandni. Welcome back to my channel Super School. How are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. So today I'm back with another video and it's the part 8 of my vocabulary tutorial. So if you haven't seen the previous parts, then please go and check it out. Now I have brought 3 very important vocabulary words for this video, and these words will be quite helpful for the IELTS learners because this will help you in various ways. The first one is if you want to write, and especially if you're writing task 1, where you have to kind of describe or write a report. So you have to maybe describe the bar graph or pie charts, and just state the difference between different pie charts or different bar charts, or maybe the situation in different countries. So for report writing, these 3 words that I have picked will help you a lot, and it can improve the quality of your writing and help you to achieve higher band score. So now let's begin to learn the words. The first one is ambivalence. Ambivalence, it's a noun. The state of being uncertain or stuck between 2 or more options. So it will be used as a noun in the sentence. And what kind of situation it is? It is a situation where you're not sure about anything and you're stuck in between options. So you're confused. So let's use it in a sentence. His ambivalence prevented him from immediately signing the contract. His ambivalence prevented him from immediately signing the contract. So his confusion. So this is another synonym for confusion. So confusion would be a more general and familiar use of expression. But if you use ambivalence, you can see the quality of your sentence will be there. Yes. So let's move on to the next one. So analogous means similar but not identical. So it's an adjective, and often we use this adjective to describe a noun which is similar or identical, or sometimes we use the synonym same as your new shirt. Okay, I bought a shirt as same as your new shirt or similar to your new shirt. So more than this kind of expression, if you just use it like this, for example, green onions are considered analogous to spring onions. So see the magic of word. It just uplifts your quality or standard. Now the next word is annihilate. Annihilate means to destroy or cause devastating destruction. So annihilate is basically a verb which means to destroy something, to cause destruction. So to destroy or to break something. So break can be a common synonym for this. The dictator sent orders to annihilate the group of rebels. So here you could have just used to destroy, and let's replace it and see. The dictator sent orders to destroy the group of rebels, to break the group of rebels. So it would be much more easier, but if you use annihilate, it improves the quality of your expression. Yes, so that's why I'm here to offer more words so that you can improve your standard and also learn new words. So if you want to watch more videos, then you have to subscribe and like my channel and share it as well, and also hit the notification bell. And don't forget to visit my Facebook page. Please follow it, and if you would like, you can join my course. So for more details, you need to make some clicks. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.